You can take this one to the bank, the Outer Banks, that is. Hello, everybody. Once again, it's Thorncrest Pre-Owned Department, and today we have this just-arrived 2023 Bronco Sport Outer Banks Edition. Let's give it a walk around and see what we got. This car hasn't been detailed yet, but being a little bit dusty, a little bit dirty on the floor mats on the inside, it presents well. I don't see any obvious damage on it. You're going to know why soon. This is a very low kilometer unit. It's riding on 18-inch machine-faced aluminum black painted alloy rims, which are quite nice. Deep tin on the back windows there. It does have the trailer hitch. Again, look inside. We do have a sunroof at the 60-40 split. And even without that, them folded down, lots of space here, 12 volts. And of course, lighting, little Easter egg, and of course, another Easter egg, the bottle opener right there. And if you press this button, there you go. Another handy feature, specifically on the Ford Sports. Check the back seat space. This Outer Banks edition comes with leather trimmed seats. Brown leather is a nice accent to the carbon gray or gray fabric otherwise. And again, you have the black leather inserts. Quite nice. Dual cup holders like you already saw. A couple of power ports, vents. And again, so you know where you are. We have, of course, the standard roof racks, which are very handy. Driver's area, but before we go there, this one being in Outer Banks has the upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system. Power windows, power door locks. Again, the seats. The embossed Bronco logo. Seats are power for the driver, which is cool. Our goat modes, our rotary shifter, e-brake. Does have wireless charging. Yes, this unit will be detailed. It just arrived, like I said. A couple of power ports, buttons and knobs for the heating and air conditioning. Does have a heated steering wheel as well as heated front seats. Small center touchscreen, of course. Does have the built-in navigation. And for apps, we'll just go straight to the phone because, of course, it also has Add Phone. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, audio, settings to configure everything. Start-stop button. Again, if you look at the gauge package here, this unit for 2023 only has 6,532.2 kilometers on it. Of course, you have some configurability here as well. And let's just check the engine. Oh, and of course, power sunroof. This is the 1.5 liter inline 3 engine that produces 181 horsepower and 190 pound-foot of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Very fuel efficient, yet for such a small engine, it's got a fair bit of power to it. So if you're looking for a Ford Bronco Sport, and one that's loaded with features, with a nice interior with the brown and the gray, you should probably come on by Thorncrest Ford and check this one out. Available today. Like I said, it will be detailed. It just arrived like literally 10 minutes ago at Thorncrest Ford. Thanks for watching this.